Hi everyone, my name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me here in the studio. Today's topic, we're talking about importing, we're talking about Amazon, we're talking about product selection, we're talking about logistics. Where do you store your products? Do you store them in your garage? The answer is no, by the way. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So, quick question. Do you store your products in the garage? And the answer is no, you do not. We're going to come back to the point in a second. Now, whatever niche you get into, make sure it has low competition. Okay, you don't want to jump into first of all, you don't want to choose a product that Kmart is selling. And whatever Kmart is selling, stay away because they have deeper pockets, they get better volume discounts. If you're importing 500,000 knife and fork sets, which Kmart are most likely, definitely, minimally doing, there's no point you trying to import that same set to sell them because Kmart will undercut you and destroy you. So it's you want to stay away from those products. So something low competition, something high demand, something new is always good. Most of Amazon's growth comes from new products, from new sellers. Okay. But you don't want to compete with Walmart, Kmart, Target, any products that they're selling. Even if it's a little slightly better, you don't want to do it because they have deeper pockets. They can out advertise you and out buy you. They'll get it cheaper than you, guaranteed, 100%. Coming from someone who's been to China many times, if you are a big corporation, they will be paying a lot less than you. Now, when you start off with your business, whether it's your Amazon business or your importing business, do it in your country first. Most people have these great expectations of being like Napoleon, where they want to take over the world. They want to do the USA, UK market, Australia market, New Zealand market. They want to do the South America market, right? Do one market first. How do you know it's going to work? You don't know. So do one market first. Keep it small, keep it tight. If it works in that market, then take it overseas. Then you go and expand into different markets. And there's a good thing, guys. This is a rule of thumb. If something is working in that market, if you manage to break the USA market, all right, or if you're doing it by state, if you go nuts and you do well in California, right, then go to another state, go next door, go to the southern states and try it there because it might be a different market, it might not be. But if something is working in one market, usually you can replicate it and duplicate it into another market, right? Another strategy I teach, this is one of my books, guys, how to import from China and make a fortune. I reveal these strategies here. You can actually get, I'm giving away a limited time of a couple of free copies of this book, also a free video program at my website. So visit my website and to claim that copy. But you want to replicate the business, but only do that once it is working in one market. Don't try and take the world over by storm, because sometimes you can't win a race by running two races. So if you try and do too many things, you won't get anywhere on one. All right. So you can duplicate it, but duplicate it once it's proven. Next step: fulfillment by Amazon. Okay, fulfillment by Amazon. Write that down. Fulfillment by Amazon. You do not want to be storing your products in your garage. You do not want to be going down the post office every single day. It might be all right when you're starting out. Maybe the first couple of sales go to the post office. But Amazon does that stuff for you. And what they charge you for is very low, all right? All right, so you might know, I think a lot of Americans are on this thing called Amazon Prime. I think in Australia, we're gonna get it here soon as well, but it's free shipping. If you join Amazon Prime and you pay a certain amount, it's basically unlimited, well, it's free shipping. And basically locks you into buying from Amazon too, which is an incredibly smart idea. And so they get massive shipping rates, they get massive shipping discounts. So Amazon, if you're trying to ship it yourself from your own store, you won't get the discounts that Amazon is getting, that's for sure. All right, so just take notice that Amazon does get good shipping rates from the government post, Australia Post or United States Post or wherever you are, right? They get discounts from them. They subsidize it. and they will be paying a lot less than you. All right, so just keep that in mind. If you're trying to run your own website, you're selling stuff and you're paying shipping, then if you probably opt to sell it through the Amazon store, you'll probably get a couple of discounts on the shipping. Guys, that's the topic I want to leave with you today. Focus on that, all right? Fulfillment by Amazon. You do not want to be storing your products, your goods, and you're in your garage. All right, so my name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to visit my website, claim your copy. Check out my free video series showing you how to import from China, how to choose hot products, and I'll talk to you real soon. See you later. Have a good day.